Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to be doing a little tech review on the Apple Watch Series 3. Even though it was released back in September 2017, it's considered to be the entry-level Apple Watch for people who don't have a smartwatch. Coming in at $199 for the 32mm and $220 for the 42mm, which is the one I have here, 42mm Space Gray. The Series 3 introduced LTE connectivity to the Apple Watch. With cellular communication, you can have voice and data connected to your Apple Watch, meaning that if you left your phone at home, you could still get texts and calls on your Apple Watch. The LTE Apple Watches have electronic SIM cards that share the same number on your phone, so yeah, it's all done wirelessly through the carriers. So starting at $10 from the four major cellular carriers, AT&T, Sprint, Verizon, and T-Mobile. But unfortunately, the model I have here is just a GPS model with no LTE. With the LTE, it's an added $299, so it'll be $299 for the LTE version of the Apple Watch Series 3. So without further ado, let's get on with the unboxing. So I got this from Best Buy, and I ordered on Saturday, and it came in the mail today, which it took about 3 or 4 days. Actually, get it open. So there we go. We have the Apple Watch Series 3. Let's see. Get this plastic off. Of course, Apple with their ingenious packaging, making it easy for you to unpack stuff. Of course, designed in California. Here we go. So, comes inside. Of course, a little paperwork. Quick start guide, basically. And then an extra band, or actually the band to if you have a smaller wrist than usual, and the charging puck. Of course, in Space Gray, the regular sports band. Let's see if it'll power on. And there it goes. Now a little story to this side. This is actually my second Apple Watch, because I actually bought that first gen stainless steel Apple Watch back in 2015 when it got first released. I had it for a long time, and in 2018 I broke the screen on it. Got it fixed, and what do you know, 2 months later I broke the screen again. And after that I was pretty much done trying to fix my Apple Watch, so I just gave up on it and just let it sit on the shelf, and I just use a regular watch. So now it's asking me to bring my phone. Let's see. Okay. So now I have to bring my phone close by, and there we go. And continue. Now it's gonna ask to the good old pairing it up. This is little magic. You can see that. Now, I'm gonna probably start from fresh because I had the Apple Watch a long time ago, and I'm pretty sure the apps are obsolete for it. So I'm just gonna set up as new. And wear it on my left. It's gonna do its thing. Of course, you want to agree to terms and stuff that we usually don't read, but we should read because who knows what's in that little contract that they have us agree to. So it's going to take a few minutes to set up. I'll just cut it right here and get back to it when it's done when doing this thing. Alright, so share location, yes. Create a passcode, yes. And then I'm going to create a passcode. Alright. Once it's done with that, keep watch up to date. Yes. So that's for Apple Pay, and I actually miss having Apple Pay just using my watch because I usually use my phone since I haven't had my watch, but this will obviously be better just use my watch. So I'm going to continue this, but I'm going to do it off camera. So alright, so now that once that's done, it's going to ask you for emergency SOS, which you can press if you're in some kind of dire need or some emergency trouble. You can just hit the SOS button, which is usually the side button. And I'm going to install the last I have. And Apple Watch is going to sync, and it's going to take a bit, so I'll come back to you with the progress on that. So now that the Apple Watch is syncing, it says to go ahead and use the phone as well, but on the Apple Watch, it says, it gives you like some little tips and tricks how to use the Apple Watch, which I already know how to use the Apple Watch, but for these purposes, I'll just show you guys. So, saying display. Tap to select, basically like a touch screen, left or right, scroll left, left or right, press from, like basically 3D touch. Digital crown. Press it to all the apps. Press and hold to talk to Siri. And the scroll and zoom with the crown. And then the side button to show the dock, and the double click for Apple Pay, and also to hold it down for medical ID, emergency SOS, and for the power button. So that's basically it for that. But as it's setting up, I'll just wait for it till it's done, syncing up, and I will come back. Alright, so the Apple Watch is now done. Welcome to Apple Watch. Let's see, okay. And basically that is it. And it's basically all set up. And from here you can just customize it however you want. Press the start. And there you go. And that's pretty much it for a setup for the Apple Watch. Pretty straightforward, pretty easy to do. It's very customizable with, through the iPhone. And yeah. If you haven't already, hit that like button and that subscribe button, and click that notification bell. Let you know when I post a new video. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next video.